All right, folks, so it's very quiet here. I'll give you that. It's very quiet. Not a lot of people rushing to do this, that, and the other thing. Uh, it's very nice. I seem to have a very nice older gentleman. He's been here for a long time, and so that seems to be very cool as well. I've been nodding in, not asleep for a while, which again speaks to the calmness and the quietness of the place. All right, so I'm in Hoboken, off Willow, right near this one park that I've been meaning to spend some more time in because I heard that they have yellow cardinals that pass through. Yeah, yellow cardinals. I've seen a couple of red cardinals. Cardinals in general are not natural to this part of the state. More southerly, more importantly, South America. Anyway, we have entered a whole new stage of bedtime stories.